station is South Hayward.
Yeah, I can't wait to go to McDonald's. We're riding the Berryessa train. Yay, Berryessa train. Wait, is this the orange line Berryessa train? Yes, Junior. This is the orange line Berryessa train. But where is it? But how many? But how many stops to? But how many stops to McDonald's? A few stops. Yeah, the train is very fun. I want to see the window. Yeah, we can look at the window. Yeah, I'm looking at the window. Yay. You can get the beautiful trees and the homes. Yeah. I want to see. Yeah, the sky is beautiful. Yeah. Since we're all going to McDonald's, we all have to share a meal. But what do we usually where are we usually buying at McDonald's? We're buying the same thing: 6-piece chicken nuggets, medium fries, and a medium Coke. Yay, Coke! Are we buying regular Coke, Diet Coke, or Coke Zero? We're buying regular Coke. Yay, regular Coke! Yeah, I cannot wait for, I love regular Coca-Cola soda. Yeah. So, how many stops there is? There's just a few stops. There's just a few stops. To go to McDonald's. Yeah. Just be patient. Okay. Yay, McDonald's! Are we having, are there going to be Faith? Yes, Junior. Are there going to be Super Mario Galaxy Happy Meal? Yes. But are we going to have a McDonald's a Super Mario Galaxy Happy Meal toy? I don't know. I have to see. It's not that I don't want to. I have to see if they would give it to us. Okay. I want the Bowser Jr. one. Yeah, you'll get the Bowser Jr. one. I promise you, Junior. Okay. Yay, Bowser Jr. Yeah, I want a Happy Meal toy. Yeah, I cannot promise you, Junior, so we have to wait. Okay. Yeah, so where is our stop? Well, we are in South Hayward. So where are we going to McDonald's? In Milpitas, California. Yeah. Yeah, McDonald's in. So we're going to McDonald's in Milpitas, California. Yeah.
This is an orange line train to
I think it will be fun.
Berryessa.
Yeah,
The doors
chicken.
are
They sell their
closing.
chicken nuggets
Please
and
stand
French
clear of
fries
the doors.
in. They sell their chicken nuggets and French fries in a cardboard. So their French fries is good. Because the last time we went to the other McDonald's on my birthday, and we did not like it because they sell the chicken nuggets and French fries in a wrap. Yeah, their chicken nuggets and French fries are not good. Yeah.
The next station is Union City.
I wanna look at the window. Yeah, you can look at the window. Yeah. So where is our next stop? Union City. Union City? Yeah. I want to look out the window. Yeah, sure we can. Yeah, I want to. Wait. stops to McDonald's in Milpitas, California. We have Union City, Fremont, Warm Springs, South Fremont, and Milpitas. So we have Union City, Fremont, and Warm Springs, South Fremont, and so we have 3 more stops until Milpitas. Yay! Yeah, I cannot wait. Yeah, exactly. And after we go to McDonald's, we're going straight back home. Okay. Okay, yeah. You're going straight back home. Okay, yeah. So we all have to share a meal. Yep, we all have to share a meal. Yeah. The tractors. Do you like trucks, Lemmy? Yeah, I like. They're alright. They're not that bad. They're not that bad, but I like trucks. You do? Yeah. The sky is beautiful. I love the sky. It's sky blue. Yeah, I love sunny days. Yeah, I love sunny days as well. Yeah, I love sunny days as well. Look at the window. So how long do we have to how long do we have to go to so how long will it take? We have it's going to Union City, Junior, so you have to wait and be patient. Okay, yeah. I cannot wait to have French fries. You cannot have all the French fries, Lemmy. And besides, you're too small. Yeah, but I do want to have French fries. I love French fries. But you're too small. You cannot have all of it. Shut up, Junior. You shut up. Lemmy. Junior, it's okay, Junior. Lemmy, you cannot have... Lemmy. What? You cannot have all the French fries. You have to Lemmy. What? You cannot have all the French fries. You have to share. You have to share the French fries. Okay, I will share the French fries. So, we all have to share a meal. We have to share the 6-piece chicken nuggets, the medium fries, and the regular Coca-Cola soda. Yeah, we have to. Yeah, we have to share it, Lemmy. We cannot have all the French fries. We have to share the 6-piece chicken nuggets and the French fries and the regular Coca-Cola soda. Okay, I will. Yeah, you have to share it. Yeah, it's 5 of us. Yeah, we all have to. Yeah, we all have to share the chicken nugget. We all have to share the chicken nuggets, the 6-piece chicken nuggets, medium fries, and a medium Coca-Cola soda. Yeah, we have to. We have to share the chicken nuggets and the French fries and the Coca-Cola soda. Yeah, we have to. Yeah. So when is our stop? Just be patient, Lemmy. Just be patient, Lemmy. Yes, and our train is coming. I want to look out the window. The beautiful trees, the beautiful flowers. Yeah, and the cars. Yeah. I like it when it's a sunny day. Now, yeah, I like it as well, Lemmy. We both like sunny days. Yeah, we both do. Yeah. How long do we have to wait? Wait for our. How long do we have? How long do we have to wait for our wait to go to McDonald's? Go to McDonald's. I'm pretty hungry. It's just a few stops. Yeah, we're almost there.
Alright.
We're almost
Three
there.
miles.
We're almost there. Oh, great. Yeah. We're almost. We're almost there. Yes, we're almost there. Yeah. So we're almost there. Yes, we're almost there. Okay. I cannot wait to go to McDonald's in Milpitas, California. Yeah. Just be patient. Okay, I will be patient. Yeah, be patient. Okay. Yeah. It's just no, we're in Warm Springs, and after Warm Springs is Milpitas. That's where we get off at. That's where we get off the Berryessa train to look at
The
all
next
these
station
cars.
is Milpitas.
Yeah, I love cars. You do? Yeah. Yeah, I love cars. You do? Yeah, I do. Yeah. Do you like trucks? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I like trucks. Do you want to drive a truck someday? No, I prefer baseball. Baseball? Yeah. I prefer baseball. Yeah, I know. So yeah, I know you like baseball. Yeah, I do like baseball. Yeah. Do you prefer to play baseball or watch baseball? I prefer to watch baseball. You prefer? Okay. Yeah. And Lemmy, do you like, I like carnivores. Yeah, we don't go to carnivores. Why don't we go to carnivores? I don't know. We usually go to McDonald's and to see a movie. Oh yeah, I love seeing a movie. Yeah. Yeah. Look at all these beautiful homes in Milpitas, California. Yeah. Yeah. Look at all these beautiful homes in Milpitas, California. Yeah. I want to look at the window. Yeah, you can look at the window. Do you like trucks, Junior? Yeah, I like trucks, but I prefer trains. Okay, okay, how many of you prefer, trains? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many prefer, trucks? Raise your hand. Nobody. And Charmy, he likes chocolate. Yeah, I like chocolate. And Junior, likes, trains, and he also likes, French fries, hot wings and French fries, yeah. And Larry likes tater tots, and Larry likes potato chips and tater tots, yeah. And Lemmy likes rainbow sweets, yeah. Rainbow candies, rainbow cakes, rainbow candies, rainbow cupcakes, and rainbow ice cream, yeah. Yeah. So we have to get ready to